taken from the little New Year's Eve party we had over there. This is just to protect the ground and anything else. We don't need fires, so it's too wet anyway. Right, so that's the first bit. Just by magic, charcoal, fire. I bet you're thinking, what's he up to today? Well, you'll see in a bit, because it's going to be something different. Never tried it before, so I'm quite looking forward to it if I can get it hot enough, okay? So all will be revealed in a bit. There we go. This is called a POTJIE pot. South African cooking pot. And we're going to cook something, well, we're going to do something really different with it. You'll probably find it very unhealthy, but it's not going to be. Right. Get that warm and I'll show you what we're doing next. I'm looking forward to this. Lard, whole block in. We need this to get this pretty hot for what I'm doing, what I'm going to do anyway. You're in suspense, aren't you? Let's have a look, see if that's going now. There we go. So just leave that. I'll depend on, I've got 2 blocks, I'm going to have to put 2 in, I think. This is Sunday, I'm just showing you. Jane's over there somewhere. She wants to count the trees. And this is a beautiful day. Beautiful. Not a soul. Peaceful, quiet. I don't know where Jane's gone. Nope. Anyway, let's have a look. Yeah, another block in there, I think, in a minute. Okay, first block nearly melted. Ooh, mind your fingers. Well, if it needs any more, I haven't got any, so we'll have to make do with that. Right, this is the tester. This is going to go really wrong, isn't it? Right, let's see what happens. Oh God, look at that. Hey? About 2 minutes, I reckon. And we'll give it a test.
You ready to test?
Nope, never. The first time. I saw it, I won't say on what channel, but yeah, one of the chefs tried it and it's called pitchfork steak, and they used a pitchfork. They have got a little squirrel pickle, which is like a pitchfork, a small version.
Squirrel pickle?
Yeah. I'm going to pop in a few sweet potato fries and see how they do as well. Not too many because I don't want to cool the fat down too quick. Give me a chair. This is the trick now, yeah. This is the POTJIE pot. Oh, come on! You got to look at that.
Put it down a bit. You can't see it on your camera. There you go. Further down. That's it.
Yeah. I'll zoom out of that and give that a look. Let's just give that another. It's going to be. How'd you like it? Rare? Medium rare?
Medium.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't think the sweet potato fries are just. Ooh, they're not. Yeah, they are. I reckon. We'll have to try one of them while we're at it. Ooh. All right, I'll get him. with the skin on as well. All good for your heart. Okay. I've got, oh, here's one. I'll use a bit of a plastic fork.
This fork. Shall I put these fries in?
Sorry?
Shall I put the fries in?
Yeah, by all means, yeah. Put the other steak in, Jay, if you want.
Should I do fries first?
Okay. Now we're going to have, we've got some guests and they're going to give us their opinion on this, on this steak, if they wouldn't mind. Are you? If you wanna... I'll just hold up. You don't... Go on, Ian, you give that a go. Tell me what you think of that.
Tasty.
Is it alright?
No.
Sarah wants to go. Come on, Sarah, have you ever tried that? Any one you want. This piece here is not so well, and it's medium.
Well, yeah.
Medium. You like medium? It's all right. Have another, have some more.
No.
You going to try a chip?
Thank you.
Ian, do you want to try a chip? Sweet potato fry.
No, it's all right. Thanks. That was
Mustard?
Tell me what you think of that. I'll try one of them. Oh,
A piece
yeah.
that goes in it.
perfect weather for this as well. This.
Yeah. Okay, I'll give it a go now. See what it's like. Jen, have you tried a piece?
Yep. No lump. Oh.
There's no fatty taste, is there? It's just beautiful, isn't it?
Just tastes cooked. Lovely.
I can put the other one in a minute. That's great. So a piece?
Fries?
I'll have another one. Aye.
Come on, help yourself. Yeah, by all means.
Cheers, mate.
That's okay. Pleasure. Yep. Okay, second piece going in. Oop, that went in. You were surprised with the taste of that then, were you?
I'd say crispy exterior and the juicy flavours
It is, isn't it? Well, they're spiffing. I love it, I love it. I'm just taking the sweet potatoes off now, yeah? I'm going to try another one then. Sarah seems to like them, doesn't she? They are nice. You actually don't need it, Jane. The sweet potatoes are quite nice on their own, aren't they? Yeah. I'll leave them in for a bit longer.
Beautiful colour, isn't it?
Look at that.
Good enough.
Yeah.
And there you got it, perfect.
Look at that. Sorry, it's tipping over my tripod, but can't resist that.
Okay. Action.
Take 14. Ah, that's medium. Is it? Or
Yeah, it's not rare, that one.
what's the program?
That bit is, don't it?
Yeah.
That bit's still a bit juicy
What's
there.
the program this morning when they cooked a steak for a week?
Right.
It's a bit weird, but the bloke said it turned out like it was almost like a roast beef dinner.
Yeah.
Cooked it specially. I don't know how they did it, but that's medium rare.
See, now for me that'd be perfect.
Try it.
That's what I'd ask for.
Give it a go. Tell me what you think.
I will.
Take it, yeah. Take.
You have some of this. Oh, they are.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, finish the video off with a nice cup of coffee. One for the guest. He doesn't want one, but Sarah does. See that mention in the vid? Hey.
Fitting my fast.
That's it. Enjoyed the bid. Did. Give us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe, and that would be great. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next vid.